Now they are going to identify. They have come to take my daughter. Who is taking my daughter? Taking where? They have seen the eyes of my daughter. They have been begging for over years and years. Now he has written the letter that this is the star of their heart. Now I want my daughter to confirm to me today. Is it true? Who is this Emma?
My daughter, when you get to him, bring him to me. Whatever you are, my son. The other one, a jiggle size. And I know it. Please bring him.
And it is the aunts, my sisters, decorating my son-in-law.
Emmanuel Wandera did not just fall from anywhere. He was born by parents who are with us here also.
Get for my daughter the microphone. My daughter, are you there?
Yes, Papa.
Ikoki jayo.
Ajong, Papa.
Yalama bung no rejokuna.
Papa.
Kwa kino max berengu kinakan. Oni kere. Kino kere ko jeponi no mak na tosonga kante jokuna.
Yalama, Papa.
Yeah, you welcome that son of mine. Now you have gone away, he has come to me.
Papa.
Ajay.
Today I want to choose where to go.
Amina.
Kanyongo. Antonga anyuna soma.
Amina.
When I stand up, I will see what to do. Either go with my father's business.
Yeah, chama na rusi koko kapakena, chama na rusi papa kisonyo modaka no one ranga penyo. Aya, so Unice yala monko ko ko butok to ko kutana bore muna. Yalama. Now the Bugone will remain there with the few as they have decided.
Nantongo lava ngatema mikakulose mapulava utono no wani mama wana mujina mchewa mchewa tende ni yangu wana ojema tengasia Now I got you, baby. I'm gonna take you down to my room.
Jalaba, togenda kwejusa, siri kwepina, bakubaganyembera, siri kunange, kinange, namanti, nsule, amalife, my wife, jagala nnyo kiremange, kati sasa museko, balala balala guma, nalinda, otokosa tokosa kosa budonke, babula babula mulio, lewoli tangu emisege, lafu yotenenze kwa kumbene, esina bwezindi bwesekere, nikusala kaweke nofuna mmere.
Now, when our children are going, when the other people come back, we are serving lunch.
Kano ke kadde akasingira ddala okubeera ak'essanyu eri abaami nga bambi asobodde okutuukako mu maka g'abakadde bamuzaalira omukyala. Wendi ndiwone Emma batudde twakajje kusajjuze ku Christmas agenda tubulira essanyu awulira litya yatuuka atya okusalawo okuba nti ajja mu maka g'abakadde ssebo. You look smart, onyumye, sooka otubulira amannya amalala gwani.
Thank you very much. Nayanziza amanya bampita Emmanuel Wandera. Ndi mugisi kuva Mbale.
Biki by'osanze mu Unice ebimufudde omukyala ow'enjawulo nawe okutuuka okusalawo?
Omanyi normally ife abasajja omukazi akwencouraginga akuza mamanyi. Yeah. And she's very encouraging. When you're down, she pulls you up. Basically, she's a beautiful, nice, wise, and brilliant woman. Yeah. This is the fruit of our journey. Baby Casey. Baby Casey. But I feel very awesome right now. You know, being known to the parents officially. Yeah, to Achala. So to come here, and very soon, oja kubeera on a wedding. Very soon.
Tololo. Kitundu kya nsozi kirabika bulungi era nga wano wennyini mu maka we bazaala Unice we wali olusozi olwo gaggadde lwe nabalazeeko oba lwe mulabye wano nga tutandika ate wendi nyimiriddewo ne Ssenga. Bannange Ssenga musanyufu, Ssenga asimiddeko omwana oba olulenzi baalusangawa. Senga wanji olulenzi bannange nga lugogofu mwalusanga luddawa luno.
I'm telling you, it is a long story, a very long story. That boy, I loved him. I loved him with all my heart. That's why I accepted my daughter to bring him today on the 22nd to show to me, my brothers, my other sisters, and all the clan members. So Unice and my son should also, I pray to them to wed at church, that they may live longer and even produce more and more children.
Senga yogedde mu lufuutifuuti naye nga mu byonna asabidde abaana be bombi Emma ne Unice okuzaala abaana ate n'okutuuka kukula eri obufumbo obutukuvu. Kinyumira nnyo abazadde naddala bamaama nga yazaala omwana we ate n'amukuza bulungi n'atuuka n'okumuleetera ebitiibwa nga bino. Bangi beefumbiza naye ye Unice yasazeewo aleeta omwami we mu maaso g'abakadde be era mami lyessanyu ly'olaba. Mami kati oyanjulira tubulire bw'awulira akuzizza atya omwana baabalala abateeseteesa atya mami. Bannange you're smart, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I am very happy, very, very happy. The whole joy is mine. It is a blessed day for me and my family. I really give God glory. The message towards Emma and Unice. To Emma, Emma, you are my son. You are my firstborn son. Emma, take Unice as your wife. Take Unice as your asset. Take Unice as a child whom I've brought up with good manners and very hardworking. Unice is a performer, and I believe you've got an asset too. Emma, I want you to take me as a mother this home. Be free. Come at any time. To Unice, go with my blessings. Unice, I've never gotten married to the second husband. I got married to your dad, and that is it. Take Emma as your husband forever and ever.